Operations managers need to track successful as well as unsuccessful device scans to find the root cause of troublesome business areas. Can they track successful scans and compare the symbology to help improve their organization's productivity? Things to consider when measuring device scans include how many items are scanned over a designated period and can I see data trends? To view the scan qualitative assessment for your Android devices, examine the title view of the scan metrics report on the dashboard. Notice the report displays successful scans out of the total scans of my enterprise over the last 7 days, and in addition, the success rate, percentage of successful scans, so you can determine if there is an issue with your scanning device's functionality. You can see the average scans per device as well as the average successful scans per device. To examine device scan metrics in detail, click View Report. The graph allows you to look at successful scans out of total scans over the last 7 days by default. Hover over the plot points to see the detailed scans per device, successful scans per device, and success rate percentage per device for each day. Also by default, the scan metrics graph shows the absolute value of scans with total scans, successful scans, and success rate percentage. Notice the two scales on the y-axis. Left is the total scans count, and right is success rate. This graph allows you to see scan trends over time. For example, suppose my delivery person is to scan 100 items per day, 50 package numbers and 50 signatures, and I see a big drop-off to only 50 scans that day. That could mean my worker is doing a poor job and needs coaching, or is having scanner device trouble and needs to record deliveries on paper instead of electronically. The big drop-off of scans could be a usage issue or another potential problem that needs investigation. What if my worker scans the items, but the scan information does not register? This is considered an unsuccessful scan. The report provides the successful scan rate percentage so you can determine if there is an issue with your scanning application or device. To see scans per device, click the Absolute Total drop-down menu to select Normalized Totals. So far, we looked at the default last 7 days range view, but the report gives you the option to change the date range and view. Click the date picker to choose Custom Range. Select the days you desire. Before, we looked at daily aggregations. The system now displays usage for every hour of the day for up to 3 days. If scans are happening in a manner other than expected, you can address them, whether it's a device issue or a behavior one. See the data in a grid view below to access the data at a device level. The number of successful scans against the total scans can be an indicator of potential problems, such as an issue with device scanners or symbology, barcodes or QR codes, etc. The number could give indirect implications of symbology issues. At the left of the chart, click the Scans Over Time drop-down menu and select Barcode Symbology Comparison to see the symbology view. The chart shows the symbology and counts that were scanned at the specific time. The grid at the bottom remains the same. If you can tie the successful rate to a specific symbology, you can determine if you have any issues with scanning that symbology. It may be that the code was printed on a printer that did not print well, and as a result, the scan can never get to the correct information. Select Symbologies to see all symbologies used for your enterprise. You can select up to 10 to display at a time. Tying the successful rate to a specific symbology will require analysis on your part, as you only get the symbology data for successful scans. In summary, the scan metrics report shows the number of scans so you can determine the utilization of the device and shows the number of successful scans so you can determine if there is a related application or device functionality issue. Use the Visibility Scan Metrics Visibility IQ Foresight report to spot trends in mobile computer scans when considering how many items are scanned over a designated period and can I see data trends.